Um, I think I can say that it is fantastic 3D imagination. I can say it is perfect and up to my satisfaction. And my work is complete. And I can say it is up to my satisfaction and expectation. Uh, Actually, finally, after a passage of long time of my designing in my house, I can say it is perfect and up to my satisfaction for which I have engaged them. Uh, in interior, there are many aspects. For example, in lobby and in living areas and in bedroom, kids room, and particularly I have requested him to convert my small office in my balcony area. And I think he acted on all areas very perfectly and beautifully. And I suggest people to at least try him for his services. uh, Now he is my friend. Initially he was just professional, and now he is my friend. I can I want to say hi to him, and best of luck for his future endeavors. And he's a good person, nice guy, and reliable guy. You can depend on him for your work and execution of work.